am Dr. G. Decision, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss posterior compartment of the arm. नमस्ते हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Today we will discuss the contents of the posterior compartment and the nerve supply, blood supply, and the action. So these all points we will cover in this chapter. So first we will see the contents of the posterior compartment of the arm. The muscles, triceps muscles are now supplied to the muscles radial nerve. There will be a single muscle that will be the triceps muscles, and this muscle will be supplied by the nerve, radial nerve, and supplied by the blood arteries, profunda brachii and ulnar collateral artery, and the structure passing through this compartment is the radial nerve and ulnar nerve. Triceps muscle, long head taking origin from the infraclinoid tubercle of the scapula, and the lateral head take the origin from the upper half of the superior posterior surface of the shaft of the humerus. Insertion, it will insert into the upper surface of the olecranon process of the ulna. Now supplied, and it will be supplied by the radial nerve. Action is the extension of the forearm at the elbow joint. So we can see here the triceps muscle in this picture, and we can see two heads here, and this is the long head and this is the medial head, and the long head take the origin from the intraglenoid tubercle and supplied by the radial nerve, and there is the lateral head also. Radial nerve is the origin of the radial nerve from the posterior cord of the brachial plexus in the axilla. The nerve winds around the back of the arm in the spiral groove. In the spiral groove, the nerve is accompanied by the profunda vessels and it lies directly in the contact with the shaft of the humerus. It pierces the lateral facial septum above the elbow and continues downward into the cubital fossa in front of the elbow between the brachialis and the brachioradialis muscles. What could be the branches of the radial nerve? There will be the branches that will exist in the axilla and in the spiral groove and the anterior compartment of the arm. So in the axilla, we can see the branches, the muscular branches to the long and medial heads of the triceps, muscular branches that will supply to the long and medial heads of the triceps, and posterior cutaneous nerves of the arm. Spiral groove, we will see the muscular branches that will supply to the lateral and medial heads of the triceps and to the anconeus muscles, and the lower lateral cutaneous nerves of the arm and posterior cutaneous nerve of the forearm. These are branches of the radial nerve. Anterior compartment of the arm, muscular branches that will supply to the brachialis and brachioradialis and the extensor carpi radialis longus muscles, and articular branches to the elbow joint. So these are special branches. They take your origin from the radial nerve and will supply to the different parts of the arm. So we can see the radial nerve, how it is supplied, how it will take a origin, and then it is supplied the whole arm, and how it will end up. Ulnar nerve is the branch of the medial cord of the brachialis plexus. Fires the medial facial septum and descends behind the septum, covered posteriorly by the medial head of the triceps, and this nerve is accompanied by the superior ulnar collateral vessels. At the elbow, it lies behind the medial epicondyle of the humerus and it continues downward to enter the forearm between the two head of the origin of the flexor carpi ulnaris. Branches. The ulnar nerve has an articular branches to the elbow joint. Profunda brachii artery arises from the brachial artery near its origin. It accompanies the radial nerve through the spiral groove, supplies the triceps muscle, and takes part in the anastomosis around the elbow joint. Superior and inferior ulnar collateral arteries. The superior and inferior ulnar collateral arteries arise from the brachial artery and take part in the anastomosis around the elbow joint. So we can see there is an anastomosis around the elbow joint, and these arteries, superior and inferior ulnar collateral arteries, and the profunda brachii artery both uh, take part in the anastomosis around the elbow joint. Now you can assess by yourself by giving the answer of these questions that are the first is explain triceps muscles. So you have to write down all the parts of the triceps muscles because it has three heads, and you have to give the innervation and what is the blood supply of the triceps muscle, and what would be the nerve supply, and the nerve supply, and we can see there are many branches of the nerve, the specific nerve. So we have to return all these things. Now, second question is explain radial nerve, and you have to give the answer the radial nerve and its branches and the supply, the specific part. So you have to give all this answer in a specific manner. So this is all about it. Thank you so much.